When viewed up close, the visual impact of the J-10C fighter, which combines industrial power and design beauty, is a very unique experience. The handsomeness of this fighter is not only in its spiritual lines, but also in its hardcore strength as our country's main third and a half-generation fighter. The handsomeness of the J-10C first stems from its exquisite aerodynamic design and detail processing. First, the iconic layout, using pressure aerodynamic layout. The front winglet suppression and trigonometry combine. This design gives him excellent maneuverability and agile air posture. Second, the overall design. Compared with the earlier models, the J-10C adopts a more mature intake port design, such as the DSI intake port. The fuselage line is smoother and smoother, reducing the radar reflection surface. Third, the actual paint. He usually wears a low-moderate gray oil control paint, which has a cold texture and a visual sense of power, courage, and technology. Fourth, the shock of volume and detail. You will immediately feel that his actual size is larger than you think, with a total length of nearly 17 meters and a stretch of nearly 10 meters. Standing next to him, you can clearly see the seams of the fuselage skin, the arrangement of rivets, and the details of various sensors and antennas. This sense of industrial precision is very strong. Fifth, the texture of the paint. Its low-resolution gray coating is not flat in the sun, but has a subtle grainy feel in shades. At a certain angle, the UV protective layer on the edge of the hatch cover will glow with a faint purple light. The air may be mixed with aviation fuel, hydraulic oil, and the special smell of high-temperature metal cooling, which is the smell of a fighter jet that no emulator can replicate. When the engine is turned off, it is a cold and silent existence, but it can make you imagine the roar after starting, the roar of the slide when starting, the roar of the AL-31FM or domestic Taihang engine, the action of nozzle adjustment in the